Hey, this is Ihab. In this video, I am going to walk you through an exercise that I present to my students that throughout the years, it has proven that it would be a really good warm-up start for anyone who is using After Effects for the first time. The exercise is about making this cube, and this cube is going to be three-dimensionally structured within After Effects, and the project is made from A to Z using After Effects. So let me show you how three-dimensional it is. So in this project, I will introduce primarily the use of pre-compositions and the problems that could come with them and the way to solve them. And also this would make a really nice introduction for three-dimensional perspective in After Effects as well. And additionally, I'm going to provide the file that I created for this project. So for anyone who's trying to learn it and to take a look at the actual structure of the project, then it would be hopefully more educational. So I hope you enjoy this.